Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your iPhone is updated and that you have the right image. Choose a high-resolution photo so scaling won't blur details. Once done, pick whether you want it for your lock screen or home screen and whether to use static or perspective. Now open Photos, select the image, tap the share sheet and choose Use as wallpaper. This begins the real adjustments. Make sure you don't let iOS auto-apply an unintended crop. You need to manually control zoom and positioning to prevent blur. Pinch with 2 fingers to reduce zoom if the image looks stretched. Upscaling causes softness. Tap perspective zoom. Turning it off stops motion blur from parallax. Turning it on adds depth but can soften edges. If cropping is necessary, exit to Photos and use Edit to crop at native resolution, then return and apply. Make measured adjustments. Small changes preserve sharpness. After you set the wallpaper, test clarity by locking and unlocking your iPhone and viewing both screens. If it still looks blurry, re-export the image at your device's exact resolution or save as PNG to avoid compression artifacts, then repeat the process. Make sure perspective is off if you want maximum sharpness. If changes won't apply, reset wallpaper settings or restart the iPhone. That clears temporary rendering problems. If problems persist, try a different high-res source image to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.